Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Field Agent shopper profile so you can start earning while you shop. Field Agent is a fantastic platform that allows you to complete simple tasks for cash, making your grocery trips more rewarding. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download the app. The first step is to download the Field Agent app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Field Agent and install the app on your mobile device. Step 2. Create an account. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to create a new account. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic information. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification link from Field Agent. Click on the link to verify your email address. This step is essential to activate your profile. Step 4. Complete your profile. After verifying your email, return to the app and log in. You'll be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in the required fields, including your name, address, and demographic information. This helps Field Agent match you with suitable opportunities. Step 5. Set up payment information. To start earning, you'll need to set up your payment information. Go to the settings within the app and enter your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or direct deposit. Make sure to double-check your details to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Step 6. Explore job opportunities. Now that your profile is activated, it's time to explore the available tasks. Browse through the list of missions in your area, including shopping, surveys, and product audits. Select the ones you're interested in and follow the instructions provided. Step 7. Complete your first task. Choose a task that appeals to you. Complete it as instructed, and submit your results through the app. Once your submission is approved, you'll receive your payment. Step 8. Keep track of your earnings. You can easily track your earnings within the app. Regularly check for new opportunities to increase your income while doing your normal shopping. By following these steps, you'll have your Field Agent shopper profile activated and be well on your way to earning money while you shop. Don't forget to stay updated with the app for new missions and maximize your earnings. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make the most of your shopping experiences. Happy earning!